The earth might have looked less beautiful in the absence of birds. That's why God, the God of nature, has willingly created or brought the birds upon this green earth. Where there are trees, there are birds, and where there are birds, there are trees. Both are interdependent. Without birds, there cannot be trees, and without trees, there cannot be birds. Trees shelter birds, trees are entertained by birds, and birds bring about the dispersal of trees. They help grow the number of trees with the help of dispersal of seeds and other parts of the trees. That's why birds are as important as trees in human life. Birds chirp, twitter, sing, and produce different cries as if they are made to entertain the human beings with their natural music. After all, birds are birds. They are known for their multifarious species, colorful species, singing, twittering species. Very unique features are there. Birds are birds. They cannot be equaled by many creatures. Viewers, if you like my thoughts, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.